So hi, hello everyone, welcome to TerraSpatial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add hyperlinks to the shapefiles. So as you can see here in the display, these are my shapefiles which is having a locations. So we are going to add the hyperlinks. The hyperlinks may be containing images, documents or web links. So I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, so first of all, go to the option identity and just select any one of this shapefile. So you can see here under the location you can see various points. So in that I'm going to just select, I have selected a lake view. So just right click on it in order to go to the option add hyperlink. So you have just gone to the place. So now just click on this button in order to connect with this document, image or web link. Okay, so we have landed in the folder. Okay, so now I'm going to just link the image with this shapefile. Okay, so you can see here I am having few images. I'm going to select lake view and just going to open it and just give OK. So I'm just closing it. Now we can just view the hyperlinks using this tool which is called as hyperlink. So just select it in order to uh, view the documents. So you can see here lake view is there. I'm going to just give jump in order to open the image here. Okay, so you can see here the image has been opened straight away. Okay, so I'm going to show you another example of adding documents to the shape files. So for that, uh, go to the identity tool and just select any one of the shape file. So I'm going to pick up lighthouse here. It is the same procedure. Go to the add hyperlink and just select the connecting folder and go back in order to select the documents. So you can see here I'm having documents and I'm just selecting this document and just give open in order to connect with it. Okay, give OK and just close it. So now select the hyperlink tool and just click on it in order to open the document here. So you can see here the document has been straight away opened. Likewise, we can view and add documents here. So the next thing is that I'm going to show you how to add videos to it. Okay, so same thing, just click on any of the shape file and go to the option add hyperlinks. Now we are going to select with a video. So you can see here this is one of the video. I'm just adding it here and just giving OK. Now you can see here the
TerraSpatial.
display
So in
has
this
been
video, I'm going to
automatically
show
filled
you
and it's
how
blank
to
right
do
now.
layer stacking in QGIS. So as you can see here,
So this is one of the useful tools in ArcGIS in order to view an location of a location or data of a particular shapefile. So finally, I'm going to show you how to do it for a website. Now we have to select view, sorry, link to URL. So I'm just having a URL. Okay, just copy it and just paste it here and give OK. Now close it. Now just select the hyperlink and just go to the option where you have linked the website and just click here in order to automatically view it. So you can see here the automatically it is been loading in the browser. So you can see here the website has been automatically added to the shapefile. So now I'm getting back to the ArcGIS. So if you need to just edit it, please go to the option identity and just select it. Here you can just manage the hyperlinks. Okay, just click on it and go to the option manage hyperlinks. In order to remove the hyperlinks or add a new hyperlinks, you can have two hyperlinks together. It can be a document, it can be an image, or it can be a video. You can add a number of hyperlinks to a shape file. Okay. So if you have any further doubts, please do ask in the comment section. I will be replying to it. So if you like this video, please do subscribe the channel and just click on the notification button. Thank you. Bye.